Hello and welcome back to my channel and to another video, and today I thought I would film a what I eat in a day video for you because I haven't filmed one of these in a while and people seem to like them, and also because our routine has changed just slightly and also need to get back on track with eating a bit healthier. Lockdown definitely changed the way we eat. I was definitely eating a bit more like I was on holiday most of the time, drinking a fair bit of wine, snacks. So yeah, definitely trying to put that to bed and get back to a bit of a routine. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Nicola, I'm a mum of two, and I make videos like this really. Food videos, a bit of fashion, shopping hauls, cleaning, all lifestyle stuff. So if you like that sort of thing, I would love it if you would subscribe. And you can do that by clicking the button just down here. So yeah, let's get on with today's video. Good morning, it is now 7:25 and I'm half ready for the day, but I'm just having a protein shake. My routine has changed a little bit in the mornings. If you've watched my videos before, you'll know that I would get up, do a quick workout, like a 7-minute workout, then have a banana and a cup of tea, and then get dressed, and that would usually be about 6 o'clock, 6:30, and then children get ready, and then we'd rush out and usually take them to school for about 7:45, 8 o'clock. However, the routine has changed because my daughter Phoebe can't start school till 9:15, and my son starts school at 8:30 now. So it means that the day has moved on a little bit later. So rather than go hungry, I'm having a protein shake. So I do a slightly longer workout now, a 20-minute to half an hour workout in the morning at 6:15. Then I'll get dressed and have a shower, having my protein shake. I'll show you which one I use. This is the protein shake that I use. It's Protein Works, it's vegan protein, which I prefer to the whey protein. I've had the whey one before and it doesn't agree with me at all. So I use this one, and I don't have one at the weekend, probably just usually during the week, just to keep me going, because otherwise I get too hungry. So I'm gonna have this, and then probably a banana as well, and then take the kids to school, and then gonna come back, I'll have my breakfast. So yeah, I'm missing my first cup of tea of the day, which I do miss, but hey ho, things have changed. So yeah, I'm gonna have this now and then take the kids to school and show you my breakfast when I get back. Right, I am now back from the school run, and I'm going to have my age-old favourite of poached eggs for my breakfast. I think it's a favourite, and I find that it really fills me up. I have 2 poached eggs, and I have it on a bagel thin, just one bagel thin, and if you follow Weight Watchers, it's about 4 points, and that is not bad for breakfast. As you will have seen already, I've already had a banana and my protein shake. So I've been up since 6:15, it's now 8:50, so I'm feeling quite peckish again. And this hopefully might keep me going till lunch. I might need a little snack in between, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it might keep me going till lunch. I have to pick Archie up from school at 1 today. This new routine is messing with my head. He would normally finish at 3:35 and then probably stay on and do after school activities or hang out with his mates until 4:30. But he can't do that anymore, and because he's in the 6th form, lessons finish a bit earlier sometimes, and today he finishes at 1, so I've got to go and pick him up. So yeah, I'm going to get on with my poached eggs now and have my breakfast.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, so give me
now 12:05 and I've managed to go without needing a snack. Actually, I've been super busy this morning, which is always helpful. I think if you're busy, you generally don't find time to eat. And yeah, so we have made it to lunchtime and I'm gonna have some lunch. Usually I'll probably try and push this a little bit later because I've got to pick Archie up at 1. I also have a meeting at 1, so I'm gonna have to pick him up and then zoom back and jump on a call. So I won't have time to have lunch when I pick him up, after I've picked him up. So I'm gonna have my lunch now. And unfortunately the cupboards are a bit bare. I should have thought about that probably before I filmed what I eat in a day. I know we've got dinner, but lunch is looking a little bit measly, to say the least. I would probably usually, when I'm really hungry, I'm really bad at then preparing something. I would usually just grab like a bagel out of the cupboard and have some cream cheese and cucumber and a packet of crisps, like lentil chips or something, and then eat it at my desk. But I'm trying to be better at lunchtimes. Maybe have yogurt and fruit. Although we haven't got any fruit in the freezer. I've really got to go to Tesco today to pick up some more food. But yeah, I've sort of gone through the fridge and found a few bits, so this is what I'm gonna have. We've got some tuna, so I'm having that. We've got sweet corn, so I'm gonna put those together, and I'm just gonna add a few bits of salad. I've got pepper, which has probably seen better days, but is fine. A carrot, a little bit of cucumber, and some cherry tomatoes. So I'm just gonna literally shove all those in a bowl with a bit of salad cream. Look, this is our fridge. We've got 1,000,000,001 apples and very little else, and some salad cream, and that will be my lunch. And if you do Weight Watchers and you don't have too much salad cream, that is 0 points, which is always good. I mean, I'm not really following Weight Watchers at the moment to the T. Like, I'm not really tracking points, but I just try and be mindful. When I know I'm trying to be a bit healthier and eat a bit better, I try and think about what this would be worth if I was doing Weight Watchers, and then try and track a little bit sort of in my head, just to be mindful, because it's so easy to just get out of the habit of eating good stuff and just having bread and crisps and things that, you know, are great from time to time, but if you eat them all the time, then the results are not great. So yeah, I'm going to crack on and make this for my lunch. And there we have it. There is my bowl of salad for lunch, which actually looks really yummy. So I'm pleased I made the effort to cut that up and make it. I'm also going to try and get through some more water. I've also, over lockdown, got in the really bad habit of having Diet Coke with my lunch, and I swear it makes me, sorry I've gone all dark, let me go that way. I swear it makes me more hungry. I found that I have my lunch and then I am constantly eating all afternoon. I'm just hungry. As soon as I've had lunch, I'm just constantly wanting to eat more and more and more, and I'm sure having a Diet Coke doesn't help, because it definitely does make you more hungry. So I'm gonna have some water instead, and I am sitting at my desk, which I know is a bad thing, but I have some work to crack on with. So I'm gonna eat my lunch while I sit at my desk, and then I mustn't forget to go and get Archie at 1 o'clock because I'm likely to forget. I think I better set myself an alarm. So if you are like me and a meal isn't a meal unless you've had something sweet afterwards, then I would thoroughly recommend these, which are the Healthily's 10-calorie jellies. They are, I think, 0 points if you're on Weight Watchers, and I like the raspberry flavour. I do loads of different flavours, I think like a blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, all sorts, but these are my favourites. And yeah, just give you that little sweet kick after a meal, if that's what you like, and you know, it's better than having sweets or chocolate or biscuits or cake, which is the other things that I would probably have as an alternative. So so yeah, thoroughly recommend a jelly. I'm going to have this now. And then I think I've got to go and pick up Archie. I've just had a text to say he wants to picking up at 1:20, which I can't do. So that's going to be a problem. So at the moment, I don't know whether I'm going or not. But anyway, this is what I'm having to eat. It is now 2:25, and I'm having an afternoon snack. This is a bit earlier than normal, but as I said, routines are all over the place at the moment. I don't know when I'm coming or going. So I've picked up Archie at 2 o'clock in the end. I'm now home, and I've got to go and pick up Phoebe and her friend from school at 3. I've got to bring them back here to get changed for dance, and then take them to dance for 4:15 till 5:15, and then home. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to get the opportunity to have anything to eat or drink while I'm doing that. So I am having a cup of tea and one of these, which I picked up in B&M at the weekend. These are the Mo Farah range, and it is basically a fibre one bar, but you can pick these up for £1 for a pack of 5 or 6, I'm not sure. And they do the standard flavours that you get in fibre ones, the chocolate fudge brownie and the salted caramel, but they also do these, which are birthday cake flavour, and they're amazing. So they are these little cake bars, and they've got little hundreds of thousands in and white icing, and they are delicious. And I think these are less calories than the fibre ones. I'm not going to put money on it, but I think they are. So these fibre ones are 4 points. I think these would work out as 3, but don't quote me on it, you might want to check. But anyway, I'm going to have one of these to keep me going until tea time, which I'm not sure when that will be. But yeah, we should be home at about 5:30, 5:45 tonight. So yeah, I'm going to have this and then do all the running around. Hello, it is 6 o'clock on the dot and we are home from dance. So nice to be back at dance. Seeing all the mums and Phoebe enjoying her class. It was just great. So yeah, we're back and I'm just doing Phoebe's dinner. She's having big sausage pasta, which is her favourite thing to eat. And Archie did his own dinner when he got back from school, obviously too earlier. He had a workout and then he did his own dinner. That's great. Andrew is in the gym and I'm going to start cooking our dinner. So if you haven't seen one of my videos before, you won't know that we get Gusto food 4 nights a week. So we eat as a family on we eat as a family on a Saturday, a Sunday and a Monday. Then the kids have their own thing Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and mainly that's because their diet is fairly limited. They're not that into trying new things, and we get quite bored of the stuff that we eat together as a family, and so they will try bits and pieces of what we have, but it means that they can have what they want. But also when we're in normal life and we're busy, they're usually out and about at concerts and rehearsals and all sorts, so it's easier if they just have their own food and if they can have whatever. So they have that, and then we get Gusto, which we started getting because we were just bored of everyday food, and trying to think of what to eat every night was a bit stressful, and I just thought it'd be nice to try something new. So we started getting it probably in February, January time, and we've been doing it ever since, and we really like it. I'm going to do like a proper review, after having it for so long, a real review of Gusto, like an impartial review, because I've paid to have it, we buy it, and yeah, there's good things and there's bad things, but generally it's positive, so I really like it. So we've got this week a few different things to choose from. So this is what we're going to have tonight: potato topped broccoli and cheddar pie. We try and get 2 vegetarian and 2 meat dishes each week, just yeah, to try different things, and because that's better for everybody. They've got a 10-minute spicy peanut chicken noodles. We've got teriyaki, aubergine and quick pickled cucumber, which is kind of unusual. We're going to try that one. And then a creamy chicken, mushroom and thyme risotto. This is my favourite, but we'll do that another night. I think it's just good. We would never eat something like this normally. It's not something that I would ever look in a recipe book and try. So to get the recipe and get the food delivered to us, and instructions on how to do it, and just nice and easy, then if we don't like it, we don't have to have it again, and we're not left with loads of ingredients that we have to use up. So I think it's a good idea. And then yeah, that one for another night too. I think we'll have that one tomorrow, because we need to have a quick dinner tomorrow, and that only takes 10 minutes to prepare. So this is what we're going to have tonight. So it's if you want to take a screenshot as a recipe, it's potato topped broccoli and cheddar pie, and then those I should get out of the light, and then you can see it, didn't you? Let's try that. There we go. That's not ideal. I'm not very good at let's try it over here. That's better. There we go. So if you want to take a screenshot of the instructions, that is them. Right, so I'm going to start preparing that now while Andrew's in the gym, because it takes a bit longer, this one. It's a 45-minute recipe. So I will crack on with that.
do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
There we go. This is our dinner. So this is the broccoli and cheese and leek potato top pie, and some peas to go with it. So we're going to tuck into that now. It is now just gone 9 o'clock. I've just put Phoebe to bed, and I've just been getting tomorrow's lunches ready and things. And I'm going to have my dessert now, which is a little bit later than I normally would. But Phoebe goes to bed a bit later now, and I don't like to have it beforehand because I like to have it when I'm sitting down and just relaxing. So I always have, well not always, but quite often I have in an evening some Greek yogurt with some berries, which I get frozen ones, and a bit of granola and a cup of tea. So if you're doing Weight Watchers, I think the granola, I just have like a handful, is about 3 points, and that is it. So I think I've done pretty well today, actually. I think this is the least I've eaten in a long time. It just shows that when you're busy and you're back to routine of school runs and everything, and there isn't so much time to snack, then yeah, eating becomes a lot better. Yeah, I definitely feel like, you know, we're getting back into a better routine now, and not only with our lives but with food and stuff as well, so that is always going to be a good thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not already, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.
Come on, let's rejoice of what will come.